Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use less data for calls on Telegram Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on the three lines from the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Then go to Data and Storage. Swipe up to go down. Under Calls section you will find Use less data for calls. Tap on it. From the list of options, select Only on mobile data. That's it. From now on, less data will be used for calls when you are using mobile data. So in this way, you can use less data for calls on Telegram Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.